Okay, dear students, good day again. Today we are going to speak about the films, and today's lesson is the revision. Okay. Let's enjoy today's lesson. I'm very happy to see you here. You're welcome to my online lesson. Okay, the next lesson plan. We will learn grammar again. It is a revision of the present perfect tense. And the second is films. We will discuss in open class topics, opinions hour. And the third is vocabulary. We will revise all irregular past participles, the third form of the irregular verbs. And the last one is doing grammar exercise. Okay, you will learn the following using present perfect vocabulary, and you'll be able to do these activities using grammar, present perfect tense, speaking about film experiences using common irregular past participles, practice present perfect in a real life situations in your life. Okay. Now we are going to revise our grammar, the present perfect tense, because we learned it in the previous lesson, and let's revise it again. Okay. This is the structure of the present perfect tense. The first is subject, that are Kırgızca e деп айтабыз. The next is have or haven't. Бұл Кыргызча жардамчы етиш деп айтылат. Бұл которулбайт. Бирок бұл have жардамчы етишинин катышуусу зарыл. Бұл чакта. The third is verb 3 for irregular verbs and the ending suffix ed for regular verbs. Үчүнчүсү бұл етиштин, туура эмес етиштин үчүнчү формасы же туура етиштердин ed мүчөлөрү экен. Here have, we use have for I, you, we, they pronouns, yeah? And has for the third person singular. He, she, it, has. Бұл жерде have, I, you, we, they ататошторуна, жактык ататошторго have колдонот экенбиз. Ал эми has'ди үчүнчү жактын жекелик түрүнө гана колдонот экенбиз. Эсиңерге түштүбү балдар? Так, кийинкиси. Бул жерде биз мурдагы сабакта мисалдарды келтиргенбиз. Have you seen this film? When did you see it? Yes, I have. Как мы отвечаем, да, все это? Так. Эми бул жерде you should revise. Кайталашыбыз керек экен. И remember. Эске сакташыбыз керек экен. There are 1, 2, 3 forms of the sentences. The first sentence is positive. The first is subject, has. The third form of the irregular verb being, and the English. The next one is negative form of the sentence. The first is subject, then has, and the negative part is part 2 is not being English. The third form is question form. With question, we start with the third form, the auxiliary verb has in the first place, and then subject, and then irregular verb in the past tense, past participle. And if we have question, we should answer in these two ways. Yeah, we should answer yes, she has, if it is about she. No, she hasn't, if it is about she again. Okay. Now I have a question. Your homework was to revise, to learn 3 forms of the verbs, irregular verbs. туура эмес этиштердин формаларын жаттагыла деген мен силерге сабакта берген болчумун. Кана ким баштап айтып берет? Please speak, please.
Третью форму. Do, did, done,
Say.
Eleonora, please start.
See, saw, seen. Sing, sang, song.
Yes.
And sit, sat, sat.
Yes.
Sleep, slept, slept.
Great. The next.
And speak, spoke, spoken.
Yes, great. Okay, the next. Targım aytat.
Find, found, found. Forget, forget, forgotten. See, saw, seen.
Nazik, see, saw, seen. Yeah?
See, saw, seen. Drive, drove, driven. Swim, swam, swum.
Sing, sang, sang. Kaytalar. I directly.
Be, was, been.
Was'ın kaç yeri var le? Be, was, been. Be, was, were, been.
Yes. Can, could. And get, got.
Good.
Pie, pied. Meet, met.
Meet, met. Pay,
Met.
Tak, daha kim aytat?
Yes.
Do, did, done. Hide, hid, hidden. Now, knew, know. Knowing.
No, new, known.
No. Learn, learned. Become, became, become.
Great. Excellent.
Begin, became, begun.
Ну да, правильно.
Okay, thank you. Now look through them again. Please. There are very many irregular verbs with the three forms of them. Yeah, you should learn them by heart, all of them. Okay. Yes. Согласны? Полностью вы должны аягына чейин баарын толук жатташыңар керек экен, Бүгүнкү темабыз фильмдер жөнүндө сүйлөшөбүз. Films. We are going to talk about the films. And how do you understand the films? What's film? What kind of film genres are there?
Yes.
Gulnura, can you answer?
Yes. The films play a big role in your life. They can change emotions. If I see comedy, I'm very fun. I love for a while. Sometimes they can change your life, showing the way that you were searching. There are several genres of films: drama, science fiction, thriller, comedy, love story, historical, screen versions of big novels. And I like horror because I can understand it better.
Oh, great. Okay. Horror films, yeah? But I don't like horror films. Elia,
because it's very interesting.
Elia, do you like horror films?
Yes.
Всем почти нравится хоррор.
Так, дагы ким айтып берет фильмдер жөнүндө? What films have you seen recently? What films have you seen recently?
I have seen the film Life of Pi.
Oh, great.
It's an American movie.
Mm-hmm.
From this film, I have learned that we should never give up, and the man in the strongest, creative one on the planet.
Great. How,
It has taught me that we people should believe in God and should be able to survive.
Great. Thank you. Thank you. What film was it? Can you repeat? What film?
Life of Pi.
Life.
Of Pi.
Life of Pi. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Жизнь
Who
Пи.
else? Жизнь Пи. Кто еще? Про фильмы. What kind of films have you seen recently? Saikal, can you?
No, I like to watch movies with different genres. And for example, romance, thriller, horror, comedy, and drama. And my favorite movies Running or In the Maze. This is film very interesting and dangerous, and they're coolest actors. And next, my favorite films, A Dog's Life, and Harry Potter, of course, and film first and second of My Hero Academy, and Your Name, Alice in Wonderland, the most magical and unusual film, and my favorite film, John Wick, the coolest movie with the coolest actor.
Great. You like very, very many films, yeah? I've seen all of them, yeah? Great, great, thank you. Who else? Daha kim söylеп берет фильмдер, көргөн фильмдериңер жөнүндө? Okay, who else want to speak? Who else wants to speak about the film that have seen? Okay, Mohammed, can you? Mohammed.
I have seen the film Titanic. I liked it because it is a very interesting film. It is about big love story. The actors and actors has acted very good.
Okay, thank you. Thank you everybody who spoke about films, and I think that films play
And teacher,
a role. Yeah.
what kind of movie do you like and what genre?
I am going to speak about it. Yes, as other people, I also like some films, some genres. I like historical films. I like screen versions that are novels, big novels. I like detective stories, and of course, I like love stories. Okay.
Cool.
I think that films play a big role in everyone's life, and films sometimes teach people to do something good, sometimes teach people to do something bad, and I wish you to be taught from films very, very good things, just good things, only good things. Thank you. Now, let's revise our grammar. Let's practice grammar again. Okay, look at these pictures and try to read and to change these irregular and regular verbs and make up sentences, please. Can you see? Көрініп табы?
Yes.
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 Okay. Так, the first sentence, who will read? Kim okuydu birinci filmde?
Можно я?
Ага, welcome.
Have you seen this film?
Okay, correct. Молодец. Так, sentence 2. Kim okuydu?
Broken. Oh no, I have been broken.
I have
My glasses.
broken. Bakal. I
have broken my glasses.
Okay, молодец. Так, sentence number 3.
I was in mistake, то есть.
It was a mistake. Да?
I have worn it.
I haven't
I
haven't
worn.
worn
it.
Won't.
I haven't worn it. Қайталайыз.
I haven't worn it.
Бұл жерде not wear negative болып тұрады. Ошондуктан біз сүйлөмдү not кошуп айтышыбыз керек экен. Sentence number 4.
They buy a new car.
No, present perfect.
They have bought a new car.
They have buy.
Gülak.
They have.
They. Gülnur.
Both have bought a new car.
Have
They have bought
a new car.
Okay. Sentence number 5.
Alex
has traveled over the world.
Alex has traveled. Dedinger bir traveled dedinger mi?
ED.
Traveled.
ED. Alex has traveled all over the world. Sentence 6.
Have you met Anna's new boyfriend?
Anna's new boyfriend. Have you met Anna's new boyfriend?
They next 7. They have eaten all the biscuit.
Correct. 8.
They have eaten.
8. Next.
8. Don't turn it off. The film hasn't finished.
Hasn't finished.
Correct. 9. 9.
The boss
Has
the boss arrived.
Kim айтат? Біреуің айтқыла?
Has the boss arrived?
Arrived.
Қайталайыз. Тура айтқыла.
Arrived.
The last sentence.
He has taken my bag.
He has taken my bag. Well done. Азаматсыңар. Biz present perfect tense'te колдонуп сүйлөм түзүш үчүн эмнени колдонушубуз керек экен? Мынау дагы үчүнчү формасын колдонушубуз керек экен, Так. I have a question. Say, what did you learn today? Бүгүн эмнени үйрөндүк? Эмне жөнүндө сүйлөштүк?
Тура месечтер.
Тура месечтер.
And films.
Speak topics.
Фильмдер жөнүндө топиктерибизди айттык, Фильмдер аңгемени айттык.
Has хайыр колдонгон.
Жакшы көргөн жанрлар.
Non
жанрлары жөнүндө.
Okay, thank you. Your home assignment, your homework is learn grammar structure for the present perfect tense. Кайталайбыз кайрадан present perfect tense'te кайрадан кайталап эске тутабыз. Do exercises from workbook 76-77 pages. And write my favorite film I have seen recently and send me back on WhatsApp. WhatsApp'tan no topic'ti жакшына кылып, көбөйтүп жазып, бүгүнкү сүйлөгөнүңөргө кошуп туруп Анан мага текшерткени WhatsApp'tan жөнөтөт экенсиңер. Макулбу?
Okay.
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 Okay, thank you for attending my class again.
Thank you.
I was too glad to see you again. I was happy to see you again. And be extremely patient and stay at home now. Үйдө отургула, үйдө калгыла. Билесиңер, эмне үчүн эшикке чыкпай отурганыбызды. Билем кыйын, бирок чыдашыбыз керек экен. See you online again. Bye. Суроо болсо бергиле.
Bye.
Thank you for
Bye.
interesting lesson.